Hi, good morning, students. How are you? I think all of you fine. Yes, it's me, Shabira. I am your social studies teacher. Okay, now you are in third standard. So you started the first subject in third standard, social studies. Okay, you heard about social studies. I think all of you heard about social studies. Okay, so we can learn in social studies. In our first lesson in social studies is our universe. What is our universe? What is the meaning of universe? Prapancham. Okay, understand? Our universe. Our universe. Our universe. Okay. You can see in the sky in a daytime. What you can see in the sky in a daytime? You can see sun in the sky. In a daytime you can see sun in the sky. Okay, then what you can see in a night time? You can see sun in night? No. Then you can see moon and what? You can see moon and stars in the sky. Okay. So let us start our lesson. Okay, so all of you take page number 3 in social studies. Open your textbook. In social studies, open page number 3. Okay, in your textbook you can see night sky. You can see a picture of a sky. You can see night sky. What we can see in these pictures? You can see stars. More stars. We can see more stars. Now, which time you can see? In a daytime or night time? In a night time you can see moon and stars, and daytime what you can see? You can see sun. Okay, then we can see the sun and the blue sky during the daytime and the stars and the moon on a dark and cloudless night sky. Okay, then next one, the sky look like which color? The sky look like in blue color. The sky look like blue color because what? Because the atmosphere of earth. The sky look like blue color because of the earth atmosphere. Okay, then millions of stars twinkle in the sky at night. We can see more stars twinkle at night. Isn't it? Right or not? Yes, right. We can see millions of stars twinkle night in the sky. In fact, the stars are huge heavenly bodies, much bigger than our earth. The stars are bigger than our earth. Understand? Star is bigger one. But it look like a small. Why? It is very far away from us. Okay, the stars look like a small, but It is a huge bodies. Okay, they are very far away from us, so they look like small in size. They are far away from us, so it look like a small in size. Okay, understand? Then they are huge balls of hot burning gases and have their own heat and light like the sun. It is a huge balls of burning. It is a huge balls. It is a huge balls. Okay, of hot burning like a sun. Okay, like is a huge ball. It's more burning. The star is like the sun. Okay, our sun is also a star. Our sun is also a star. Sun is also a star. Sun is also a star. Okay, then star is a huge hot of burning like a sun. Okay, then the universe. The universe is a huge and endless expanse of millions and millions of stars with all the heavenly bodies. Universe is a huge and endless expanse of millions and millions of stars. In our earth or universe is an endless. Universe is an endless and huge expanse of millions of stars. They are called what? They are called what? There are many galaxies in the universe. In our universe, many galaxies. What is galaxies? Galaxies is നക്ഷത്ര സമൂഹം. ഒരുപാട് സ്റ്റാർസ് കൂടുന്ന ഒരു സമൂഹത്തിനെയാണ് എന്ത് പറയുന്നത്? ഗാലക്സി. ഓക്കെ, then a galaxy is a very large system consisting of stars, planets, gas, dust and a huge dark holes. A galaxy is a very large system consisting of galaxy consists stars, planet, gas, dust and huge dark holes. Okay, there are many galaxies in the universe and they are all held together by the gravitational force. There are many galaxies in our universe, so that all are held together. Why? Because of the gravitational force. Okay, understand? In all galaxies are held together. Why? Because of the gravitational force. You understand? Okay. Galaxy. What is galaxy? Galaxy. In galaxies എന്തൊക്കെയാ ഉള്ളത്? Galaxies, stars, planets, gas, dust and huge dark holes. In our galaxies, stars, planets, gas, dust and huge dark holes. These are held together why? For the gravitational force. Okay, understand? Then next one, differences between a star and a planet. What are the differences between a planet and a star? Okay. You know planet. What is planet? Planet is a graham. Okay. Grahathinaanu endu parayunne planet. What are the differences between a star and a planet? Okay, we can see the differences between a star and planet. See here, star and planet. Okay, first difference, a star gives out light. A star gives out light. Okay, right? Then next one. What is the difference between planet? A planet only shine by the reflected light of the sun. Understand? A planet is only shine but by the reflected light of the sun. Next one, a star is larger than the planet. A star is larger than the planet. Which is the larger one, planet or star? Yes, star. Star is larger than the planet. A planet is smaller. Planet is smaller but appears larger. But it appears larger as it is closer to the earth. Why? It is closer to our earth. So the planet is look like large. So it is large or not? No, the planet is smaller. Okay, then a star twinkles. A star twinkles. A planet does not twinkle. A planet does not twinkle. Okay, understand all of you? What are the difference between star and planet? You understand? A star gives out light, a planet only shine by the reflected light of the sun. A star is larger than the planet, a planet is smaller but appears larger as it is closer to the earth. A star twinkles, a planet does not twinkle. Understand all of you? So, all of you read well in our textbook. So, all of you write down in your notebook the difference between a star and a planet. Okay, you can write in your notebook in 2 times. Okay, and send it. Okay, thank you.